Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharon James. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section. So today I'll be making this Pinterest inspired cut out top. So let's go. Fold the fabric and get the length of the top. So 15 inches should be okay for the length of this top. Ignore what I use here because I actually trim off 3 inches later on. So 15 inches is good. Now from the lower part of the top, 1.5 inches upward, this is going to serve as the hemming allowance for the lower part. Now from that 1.5 inches, mark 5 inches upwards. This is going to serve as the lower part of the top. So just watch this video, it's very explanatory. On the folded side, I'm going to go in by 1.5 inches. This is going to serve as my folding allowance for the front part of the top so I can insert my distance. So the next thing, at the top of the top, add your round chest measurement, not your bust measurement, your round chest measurement, and then go to the waistline and repeat the same. Now let's go trace the back part. So remember that 5 inches we took upward, you're going to notch it because you're going to be cutting your front piece from there. Now trace out the back part without adding that extra 1.5 inches allowance you added at the folded edge of your front piece. I didn't have enough fabric, so I have 2 pieces for this, which I had to sew by 1/2 inch. But if you have enough fabric, there's no need to cut, there's no need splitting your back fabric into two. Bring back the front fabric and split it open and trim out every rough edges. You don't want your pattern looking rough like Nigerian economy, do you? So trim off the rough edges and part that we notch. Well, it's time to cut it off. So now we have 4 pieces for the front part. Also from the back piece, just take out 0.5 inches from your back piece. So now it's time to sew all these pieces together. As you can see, I've sewn my back piece together. So I took 1 piece of the front and attached it on each side of the back piece, and then after that you're going to fold the upper parts using 1.5 inches. Now on the lower side as well, inch allowance while joining the lower front piece to the back piece. So you're going to use that 1/2 inch to fold it in like so you can have a neat finish. Now bring the bottom piece of the front piece and attach it to the back piece. So ensure the end of the back piece and that of the bottom front piece matches, and then sew by 1/2 inches. Also at the top, leave 0.5 inch, just the same way you did for the lower part of the upper front piece. So you're going to use this and fold. Now after this, you're going to fold off the bottom just like you did the top part of this top. So I measured the space between my upper bust and my waistline is 1 inch, and that's fine. I couldn't find any safety pin. I had to improvise with needle and thread. So from the upper part of your top piece, adding your strap. This took me a while. I really struggled to get this shit right. So from there, crisscross and adding the strap to the lower side of the top, just like so. Your time to do this, because if you don't do this part where your top won't fit, so you keep putting strap and removing. Now grab the strap of the other part of the top. I don't know, just watch and learn and repeat the same process. Ensure you take your time and do this, and we're done. So knot the strap at the lower part of the top so that it doesn't leave just the way you left your previous relationship. And let's go try this top on and see how it is. Look at that, we're about to snatch some. So this is so cute, so gorgeous. So thank you all for staying with me. Follow me on Instagram, official_Sharon James, and on TikTok, Sharon James. So see you next time. Hugs and kisses. Bye.